Good day, class. Our today chapter in chemistry is chemical kinetics. So, what is chemical kinetics? So, the chemical kinetics is a branch of physical chemistry which deal with the study of rate of reaction and the mechanism by which reactions occur. That is, chemical what? Kinetics is a branch of physical chemistry which deal with study of rate of reaction and mechanism at which reaction occur. So, can say at what? This chemical kinetics as a topic in chemistry is a branches of what? Of physical chemistry. We deal with what? The study of what? Of reaction, the study of what? Of rate of reaction and mechanism at which what? Reaction what? Occur. So what? So our major interest of this topic is what? Is we are going to treat what? Rate of what? Of chemical reaction and the mechanism at which the reaction what? Occur. That's what? Rate of chemical kinetics. And the what? The study of factors that affect the rate of reaction is called reaction kinetics. It's called what? Reaction kinetics. So what is the reaction kinetics? Is what? Is the study of factors that is what? Influence the rate of chemical reaction. We call it what? Reaction kinetics. But chemical kinetics itself is what? Is the study of what? Of a rate of reaction and a mechanism at which reaction what? Occur. So under this chemical kinetics as the topics, we are going to treat what? Rate of reaction, which is called what? Rate of chemical what? Reaction. And the second one, we are going to treat what? Factors affect rate of reaction. The third one, we are going to treat what? What? Mechanism of what? Of reaction. So those are the what? The three sub aspects we have on chemical what? Kinetics. So let's take it one after the what? The other. The first one is what? Rate of chemical what? Chemical reaction. Let us look at what? Rate of chemical what? Reaction. So the rate of chemical reaction can be defined rate of chemical what? Reaction can be defined as change in concentration of reactant or change in concentration of products per unit time. But so the rate at which a chemical reaction occurs can be defined as the what? The concentration of what? Of reactants or the count of products per unit what? Per unit time. Let us look at it like this mathematically. The half rate should be equal, as what? Is equal to the what? Count of reactants over what? Over time, per unit time. This is what? Divided by time. And the unit for count of reactants is mole per what? dm cube. Unit for time is what? Seconds. So this can also be in this form, is the rate of what? Count of what? Count of products in mole per what? dm cube over what? Over time in what? In seconds. So let's consider the reaction below. Consider the reaction below between A react to give us what? B. We have A as the reactant side. React to give us what? B. This A is what? Reactant. This B is what? What? Product is what? This A reacts to give us what? The product. So if you are now asked at what is the rate of this expression? From definition of the rate of chemical reaction is defined as the what? Change in concentration of the reactant. Can I say what? Rate, yeah, is count of what? Reactants. And in chemistry, we use this symbol to represent what? Conc. Concentration. So rate is what? Is the conc of reactants over time. What is our reactant here? Is A. What is the conc? This is the conc of A over what? Over time. This is what? Rate for what? For reactants. And if you look at what? For the product, I say what? This same rate or is equal to what? Conc of product we have here. This is symbol for conc, concentration of B. B we have at the product over what? Over time T. And this equation is not complete. You will observe that what? This reactant, as the reaction is what? Begin. The reactant, the particle A we have at the reactant will disappear to what? To form B. That's what? This A will be what? Will be depreciating in order to form what? To B. To form B. So when A is what? Is being what? Disappear or depreciating, the B will be what? Appreciating. But this A is the one that is formed what? B. So this A is automatically what? Reduced in size. And this B will be what? Automatically what? Increase in what? In size. Because the reactant always decrease to form what? To form products. So since this A is what? Is disappear or reduce in size in order to form B, so you put what? Minus A. And B is what? Is appear or increase in size, which is come from what? From A, you put what? Plus A. So in the rate equation, for our reactant, we always put what? Minus sign there. Simply means what? This is what is reduced in size in order to form what? The product. And the product is what? It will be increasing what? In size. So the answer was since rate of reaction is equal to the what? The rate of what? Disappearance of A. And it's also equal to the what? The rate of what? Of appearance of what? Of B. We now have what? The conc of A T equal to the what? Plus conc of what? Of B over what? Over T. So this is what? The definition of the rate of reaction in terms of chemical equation. So the rate is the change in concentration of what? Of reactant. We put minus. Minus means what? This reactant is what is depreciating. Plus means what? This one is what? It's appreciating. So that's all about what? Definition of what? Of rate of chemical reaction. The next thing we need now is what? Unit of rate of reaction. Please, the rate of reaction is as what? Rate of chemical reaction. No? So from this expression now, we have what? From rate is equal to what? Conc of reactants or over time. What is the unit we have there? Mole per dm cube. And the unit we have there is seconds. So by solve it further, we have mole per what? Dm cube per seconds. This is what? The unit or rate of chemical what? Reaction. So if your time is in what? In minutes, you can still have what? Mole per dm cube per what? Per minute. If it is in hour, mole per what? For dm cube per what? Per hour. But mostly it always come in form of what? Per seconds. So the next aspect of chemical kinetics we need to treat now is what? Is the rate curve, which is what? The graph of rate of chemical what? Reaction.